Deer Island is especially rewarding to visit during the summer months, when the weather is mild and the natural surroundings are at their best. Summer offers ideal conditions for camping, with longer daylight hours, comfortable temperatures, and easy access to coastal trails, beaches, and ocean views. Traveling to the island allows visitors to disconnect from busy routines and reconnect with nature, local culture, and the peaceful rhythm of island life. Whether for camping, quiet exploration, or simply enjoying the fresh sea air, Deer Island provides a refreshing and meaningful travel experience. Deer Island, located in the Bay of Fundy in New Brunswick, Canada, is a quiet and breathtaking coastal island where nature truly leads the way. Surrounded by powerful tides, rugged shorelines, and endless ocean views, the island is known for its peaceful atmosphere, traditional fishing culture, and untouched natural beauty. From dramatic cliffs and serene forests to charming villages and historic lighthouses, Deer Island offers a sense of timeless simplicity. As the light changes across the water and the wind moves gently through the trees, this island invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and connect with the raw beauty of Atlantic Canada.